Welcome to this toolbox talk on signaling techniques. In this toolbox talk, we will discuss about recommendation points of signaling techniques and important points to be remembered by a signal person and to know about hand signals for crane operations. Proper signaling can greatly increase the efficiency and productivity of a construction project, whether it is guiding a delivery vehicle, a forklift, or a crane. Improper signaling can kill or injure workers as well as cause severe property damage on a project. The recommendation points for the signaling techniques. Know the signals. If you have to get with the operator and coordinate what signals mean. Allow only one person to give signals. Be sure the operator knows who the signal person is. Make sure you and the operator understand each other and the signals to be used. The important points to remember for signal person. Always be in a position to see both the operator and the work area. Always watch the load. The operator must watch the signal person. Never move a suspended load over workers. Always warn workers when loads are being moved in their area. Watch for overhead power lines and any other obstructions. The hand signal for crane operations, which would be used by signal person for signaling. Main hoist is indicated by this signal. Whipline hoist is indicated by this signal. Hoist is indicated by this signal. Lower hoist is indicated by this signal. Raise boom hoist of the crane is indicated by this signal. Lower boom hoist of the crane is indicated by this signal. Raise load and lower boom hoist of the crane is indicated by this signal. Lower boom and raise load hoist of the crane is indicated by this signal. With this, we end this toolbox talk on signaling techniques. Thanks for your valuable time. Have a safe day.